When a silver howls like a lullaby, through the forest shadows eyes are burning gold, a guardian of secrets no living soul is told. He stepped from the darkness fierce and yet divine, a soul forged in winter wild by design. But in his gaze I found what my heart had missed, the freedom of the storm, the touch of wilderness. Chasing the same